Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix cursor snapping to invisible grid points using the easy method. This is a great way to smooth out your mouse movement so your digital drawing brush stops skipping and freezing while you work. Step 1. Use the keyboard shortcut key to kill the magnetic lock. The quickest way to free your mouse pointer is to tap the special function key on your keyboard that instantly puts the invisible magnetic catching field to sleep. Move your hand over to your keyboard, locate the row of small keys at the very top, and press the F9 key exactly once. Move your hand around your mouse pad immediately after tapping the key to feel if your pointer arrow can now slide smoothly across the empty spaces. Because when this background feature is left turned on, it sets up an invisible net of magnetic points all over your screen canvas. Your mouse is forced to leap wildly from dot to dot instead of gliding in a straight line. Pressing this single key breaks that hold instantly so you can point at your lines without any robotic resistance. Step 2. Turn off the snap button on your lower control bar. Next, you need to look at the tiny visual toggle buttons at the very bottom edge of your software window and look for the small icon button that looks like a grid pattern with tiny dots and click it once with your mouse. Watch the color of that small dot grid icon carefully to ensure it switches from a bright blue color to a dull, resting gray color. Because sometimes a keyboard key press does not register properly inside the application memory. Checking this button by hand gives you double confirmation that the software is following your rules. When the button turns gray, it means the magnetic restriction is fully turned off, allowing your arrow to move completely free of the grid layout. Now, you need to open up your Deep Layout Settings panel to check your spacing rules so that your mouse cursor does not get trapped by hidden background calculations. Type the word D settings into your bottom command row, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and look at the very first tab at the top of the new pop-up window. Look at the top left checkbox that says Snap On, make sure the little check mark inside the square box is completely missing, and click the OK button at the bottom. Because if your file was built using a template from an outside company, it might have an aggressive spacing system written into its master rules. By entering this configuration panel, you can look behind the curtain and completely uncheck the locking mechanism. It is the key step to getting the right output because it prevents the invisible magnetic dots from waking up again later while you draw. And that's it. To fix cursor snapping to invisible grid points, you must first press the F9 key to instantly drop the magnetic lock on your arrow. Then you head to the bottom right row and click the dot grid icon to turn it gray for absolute confirmation. Next, you type D settings and uncheck the snap box to clear out the hidden background spacing rules. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.